Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my sister with me. She's going to be helping me with the cheesecake. So we are going to get started, but first we are going to be back. We got to get our hair up into a ponytail for it cannot get into our way in the cheesecake. So we'll be back. Hi guys, so we're back. We just finished doing our hair into a ponytail. So now we're gonna start doing the cheesecake, guys. So let's change the camera real quick to our point of view. There we go. So now we are gonna get our blender out.
Yep.
Take off the cap off.
It's kind of hard.
Yeah, we gotta, and then we are gonna be adding our evaporated milk now.
Yeah.
And then we'll put this right here. And then now I'm gonna do the condensed milk.
Yeah, it might be hard, so you might need a sister.
Yeah, you might need a big sister if you're small, or a grown-up to help you.
Yep.
And we are gonna use this spoon or spatula.
That's easy.
Yeah, it's easier to scoop out the condensed milk.
Yep.
You can start cracking your eggs and put them in a separate bowl just in case shells go on.
Let me check out these shells. Nope. I might go and throw this in the trash.
You could put that there.
Put that in there.
Taking the condensed out because it's hard.
Dang, that scared me.
Okay, now we're gonna keep scooping this out. Okay, so now I'm done. Now we're gonna leave the spoon there. Oh, here, guys. There you go. You can see us doing a scoop. And then now I'm gonna leave it right here like that.
The eggs are ready.
Okay, so the eggs are ready. So let me just open up the cream cheese real quick. And, oh shit, there it is. It's hard.
Yeah.
If it's a new packet. You'll just be needing 1 cream cheese and 4 eggs. I'll put them in the beginning. I put the ingredients at the beginning. You can pause that, rewind as much as you want.
Yep.
And yeah.
It may be hard of the plastic, right?
Sometimes it is hard depending on the cream cheese you have. Okay, the cream cheese I'm getting. You can start putting your eggs in.
Okay, let's put my eggs in.
Slowly.
We don't want that to splash.
And then put that plate there. We washed our hands before.
Yep.
So don't worry. Okay, so now I'm trying to scoop this out.
Can I help you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Carefully, just carefully. There. Now, you can scoop some more out if you want. I will.
I'll help you.
Okay. And then we're done. So now we're going to put this spatula right there. And then
we need
I'm gonna
put
vanilla extract.
Yep.
And then I'm going to get the measuring spoon. Let me open it for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
How about I pour it? It can be much faster.
Yeah, sure. I think I added too much.
That is okay.
It's fine. Then twist it. There you go. Now you can get the lid
and cap it now.
Ooh,
that's kind of hard.
There you go. So now we're gonna start blending it.
Yeah, It might be too noisy.
Then we'll do number 2. Okay, so while that's blending, we're gonna start opening our graham cracker pie crust. Slowly.
You want me to pack?
Yeah. You can throw this in the trash if you want. So we have one open right here. We're gonna open the other one up.
Yep. Yep.
We have to open this. Open it from here. See that? Okay, everything's ready. Okay, you can throw that in the trash. Second one is open.
Right here. We'll put that there. I'm going to throw this in the sink.
Okay, come on. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the blender, how it looks, okay?
Yeah.
So let me just switch the camera real quick. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna grab the blender and the crust. Can you grab the crust? Okay, now we're gonna move the camera low. There we go. Now we're gonna get our spoon. We're gonna open the blender real quick. And then we're gonna use this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys.
Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to be. Now, you're gonna pour it and like that. And then keep scooping it out.
Till this fills. I think that's enough.
Then we're gonna do the same thing to the other one, but
Bye.
move this one over here.
Okay.
Carefully.
I'm gonna try like this.
Okay, you control. Now we pour it in like, oops.
We'll clean that up.
We'll clean that up after. Now we're gonna pour some more in. Because
That's too much.
that's way too much butter. But we'll clean that up in a minute.
Yep.
And then here's the final
I
thing.
got a towel.
And this is the other one.
Okay, we're gonna lay this down.
The other one. And
Well, yes, clean that up.
this one.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's pretty full to me. And so now we're gonna... Okay guys, so now we are done with the cheesecake batter. As you can tell, let me put the camera facing it. Ta-da! This one, it didn't have enough. So we added too much to that one on accident. But yeah, so now
We're gonna put it in the oven.
we're gonna put it in the oven for 40 minutes and wait. We took off the blender, we put it in the sink over there and the spoon over there. So we're gonna wash that while this is cooking and we'll be back. We're gonna flip the camera for you guys so you can see what we're doing. Okay? So now we're gonna flip it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven. So I'm gonna show you guys in the camera. See this? Is that? And then we're just gonna put one in. Only one. Let me adjust the camera again. Okay, so we're only grabbing this one. We're gonna open that up. Oh wait, I need to show you.
Yep, that's the oven.
This is our little oven. Because the other one we do not know how to use. So now we're doing this one. We're putting this in for 40 minutes.
Yep.
So let's do that. Okay. So now we're gonna wait for 40 minutes, guys. And so we'll be back when we're done with the oven.
Cheesecake.
Yeah, with the cheesecake, we're gonna be doing both. And we'll be back when we're done with both.
And we're gonna do a taste test.
Yeah, we're doing the taste test at the end. So stay tuned. Bye. Okay, guys, so we're back and we have the cheesecakes right here. And now we're gonna cut it a piece out and we're gonna taste it out. Okay, grab the piece. And here's a piece for you.
Thanks.
And then you can get a fork right there. I'm gonna get mine. So now I'm gonna get my fork. And we're gonna taste it.
Yep.
It's good.
Yeah.
And I like the crust. It's good. So it turned out to be good. If you want, you can try this recipe at home.
Yep.
So see you guys in my next video.